Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. I'm going to do an unboxing in this video. I was very kindly contacted by this company here, smart-helix safety razor, handmade from Ukraine in Russia. So they contacted me and said, would I like to try out one of their razors? It's the Apollo Light. And I said yes, so here's the razor here. So what I'll do just now is, it's still packaged. I've not seen it, I've not seen inside, so you guys are seeing it as I'm seeing it. So what I'll do just now is I'll switch the camera up and we'll get in and we'll unbox this, take the packaging apart and we'll have a look at what's inside. Okay, so here's the razor here. It comes in this nice thick packaging. I've just opened the end up just to kind of try and keep it a little bit neat. So I'll just open it there. And inside we have, looks like wood, like a wooden box. Just right. Wow. Okay, so there is the box of the razor. Yeah, this is all wood, and you can see all these little joints down here. Yeah, these are proper being carved out. They're not just glued together. So there's a little lid here, a little thing. Here's the, I guess that's Apollo Light. smart-helix.com. Right, so I've taken that off. Here's what's inside. You get a lifetime guarantee certificate. You can see that there. Lifetime guarantee certificate. This razor has lifetime guarantee from any manufacturing defects. So that's that there. So just put that to the side. So here's the inside of the box. Yeah, so it comes with two plates. So the one with one line on it is smooth shaving, two lines here, aggressive. So that's it there. I thought that was wood. This is just a piece of card actually. Oh wow. And there's the razor inside there. Look at that. That packaging is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, and I've seen there's two little arrows just up here which you can see. So if you just lift this up and then this pulls out like so, and there's a nice design on that, and then the razor comes out like that, and there's the inside there. It has the smart-helix logo. Very, very nice packaging, absolutely gorgeous. Let me just put that to the side. So here is the razor, if you guys can see that. Yeah, it comes with a stand and two base plates. Now I'll just show you the stand. There's a little plastic protective bit there. I'll just put that off to the side. So here's the stand it comes on. And if you can see, the razor sits on there. There's a little beveled bit there, which you can see. Just so the razor's not sitting flush against the base, it'll just let any moisture drain away. But this is beautifully made. It has the logo on the bottom there. Yeah, and there's like a piece of rubber, like a rubber seal around the outside just to stop it getting wet. But look at that. Look how that's machined, absolutely flawless, not a mark on it. Yeah, really nice. That's just the stand. Okay, here's the razor. Let me just show you that there. Yeah, nice knurling on the handle. There's two plates on there which you can probably see. So let me just unscrew this. And there's a little kind of rubber washer on here. Right, we'll just take this apart. So there's the top cap. There's that rubber washer. Ah, right, okay. Right, so here's the two base plates. As you can see, this one just has one line, whereas this one has two lines. So this one is the more aggressive, and this one is milder. What does that say on there? Helix stainless. smart-helix stainless steel. Wow, very, very nice. I don't know, I hope that's coming across. Look at that. Absolutely. I can't see any tooling marks on this or machine marks. Nice round holes, lather channels. Yeah, this is really nicely made. Probably the nicest razor I've held actually. I've not seen a Wolfman or like a Timeless, so I don't know. They're probably on the same level as this. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I can't see any tooling marks on that at all. Usually on the underside of the top cap there's usually tooling marks, but I can't see any. It looks really, really smooth. Right, let's put it together. Right, so that fits like that. Yeah, and the top cap is has these lines on it. Where's that little rubber grommet? I'll just put that on there. Screw the handle on. And there it is there. Let me just move that to the side. Yeah, so look at that. Here's the handle. I'll give you a look at the handle. Yeah, I'll put the link to the website. I'm not sure of the weights and stuff because, as I say, I've just got it in the mail. So, but absolutely stunning. Yeah, the handle's kind of tapered down. It's thicker at the top here, and you can probably see that there. And it's just tapered down. Really nice to hold. Okay, let me leave you just now. I'll finish off with some close-ups of this razor and the packaging and stuff like that, and then I'm going to use it in the next video in a shave. Absolutely stunning. Probably the nicest razor I've ever held. Yeah, really nice. Okay, I'll get some close-ups done of the packaging and the razor and stuff like that, and I will see you in the next video when I will be using this razor. So, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.